Alright guys, thanks for coming in. We are looking at the Lenovo IdeaPad 330 and the customer has dumped coffee and we're thinking it's the keyboard because the keyboard is also attached to the power button, and if the keyboard is default, then the computer won't work correctly. Hopefully there's no coffee in it. If you guys can subscribe, I'm going to be making another video as I open this system, and hopefully we can find a result and a solution to this problem. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because we're going to be recording every single laptop, every single Mac that comes in. Anything that we need to repair will be recorded that way to help you guys all around the world, to save time, because time is money. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell, that way you can get notified every time we pull a new video up for you guys. All right, sorry for the mess. We're looking at the IdeaPad 330 coffee spill. Thank you very much, and see you guys in the next video.